hungry. I'm so hungry. I need food. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. What it do? I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm hungry.
Yo, what's up? It's your favorite hunger, Chrshy to go. It's hot. The sun is eating my words, but y'all already know what time it is. Welcome to Perspective Eats, Chrshy Eats. Y'all already know last episode I told y'all we switched everything up. Too blessed to be stressed. Yes, that's right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sirs. I am. You are. We are. But again, today we're gonna do it vlog style. I'm gonna take y'all on the road with me. We're finna go check out a waterfall. Some of y'all may and may not know where it is. If not, please come out and check it out next time. It's a great spot. I've been here a couple times before. Very therapeutic spot. Then we're gonna go grab some good eats and just chop it up again, vlog style. I was looking at my co-star today, if you guys are familiar with co-star. If not, again, check that out as well. And it was just on some alignment. I was feeling stuck. I know I've been telling you guys how I've been brainstorming, figuring out what's the approach for the channel, what's the approach for my life. I know y'all felt that moment with me. Comment below if you felt that moment. God, don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. But yeah, figure out what's going on in my life. But today, co-star basically like, take a step back, do mood boards, don't over strategize and try to manifest, just be. And that's what I'm working on. So we finna hit up a waterfall, debrief, just be. It said do a mood board, but again, I wanted to do it documentary style and bring you guys along on the journey as we grow this channel. Again, I appreciate y'all for being here, making sure you're supporting the family. If you haven't subscribed already, come on, join the family. I love y'all so much. And got the kitties out here. Take them for a walk real quick, but I'm finna go ahead and pack up everything. We're gonna grab some food. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I want just yet, but if you know, you know. If you know that this is the good spot, then you know. But Bentley, come here, Bob. See, good kids. That's why I'm like, where did he go? He all over at the neighbor's house. Let's get inside. All right, I'm gonna see y'all at the waterfall. Bye. I think the water has risen. You used to could walk under there, but you still can. Yeah. You can cut through? Okay, because the water is rising.
I don't want to get stuck on
No. This is crazy. This used to be where I would walk down. I can't get down here. The water has risen. Like, what the hell? I'm gonna drop my AirPod. Look at all that. It's never this high. That's crazy. It's intense today. All right, let's keep going. don't want to walk too far out here. They got paths galore. I'm gonna just stay on the main trail. I ain't bring no weapons out here with me today. It's been cool so far though. I thought I was gonna get to sit beside the waterfall. Didn't really happen that way because the water is so high from all the rain and the hurricanes and everything going on. So I get it. But still very enjoyable. Met some cool people. Might be having some business do. If y'all, Lamont and Nicole, what's up? How y'all doing? If y'all watching this, comment below. I shouted y'all out now. And tell me how you like the visuals, by the way. Yeah, met some dope people. I'm doing a final walkthrough. Water is high. Very high. Bye. Have a good day, guys. Told you. Making friends. Friends. Documenting. I'm supposed to be taking some photos too. I ain't gonna lie, just the scenery. It's been more video views, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I haven't really wanted to snap in too many pictures again. Just doing this diary style for you guys. I ain't gonna lie, nigga, I'm kind of scared. Oh, that's cool. So if those are where the mansions are, then I guess not mansions, but townhomes or whatever that is. Basically, I guess they got like a little side path. I don't know if I really want to keep walking, y'all. Did I already say I ain't bring no wet? I need to stop saying that out loud. All right. We're going on a hike. I'm too tough for this. To be out here scared. I ain't gonna lie, my anxiety through the roof. I'm glad I ain't hit that before I came out here. Just joking. I'm just joking, mama. Is this leading me somewhere else? It's leading me to want to turn around. It's what it leading me to. I need to put my kombucha up. Excuse me, so I can have more than one hand. Oh, okay. It's the rest of the waterfall where it's calmer. That's crazy. Like, we usually go and sit where I was showing you guys the waterfall comes down the dam. And it's usually like rocks right there. The water isn't this high, but I know you guys can see it. It's crazy. Look at that. It's calm over here. I'm vlogging. Say what's up to y'all selves. But it's calm over here. You would never expect it to be about to rage within the next 2 minutes or 2 miles. That's crazy. And I guess that's a message for today. Where there is calm, there is also rage. You never know what's ahead, so just be prepared. Like, I ain't trying to get too philosophical, but that was the purpose of coming out here. Clear my mind, hear the messages from Mother Nature. And that was definitely a sign. Like, again, like I said, I've gotten some great energy from everybody since I've been out here. Still COVID friendly, staying my distance. But people have been telling me they felt good energy off of me, so that's always a great omen to hear, of course. And then to see this. The calm, can you hear it? Nothingness. And then to just go back over and realize, like, again, not too far ahead is rage, but it just teaches you so much. I guess it's nature too, it's life. You can't really predict how things are gonna go. I didn't predict to come out here and the water be brown from the rain and the water be high from the rain. I'm used to at least being green. You ain't gonna sit here and say we got clear blue water down here in Georgia, but just didn't expect this. But it was, even when you don't expect it, it can still be beautiful. There's so many different moods. It's how I feel right now. The rage, the quietness, all in one. Like, life is definitely a roller coaster. But can you hold on? Can you hold on? Yeah, I think that's pretty much the journey for the waterfall today. I'm definitely, stay tuned because we're about to go grab some food. Me and my girl, we switched that up. Again, I'm kind of glad I did. I had plans to get a whole sub and bring it out here with y'all. I was going to sit on the rocks, eat all cute. But instead, I just got to have my snack, a little kombucha and some P3 carb-friendly snacks. And then we're going to go and get sushi. So you guys get to see sushi night. Yeah. So, thank you guys for coming along with me on this journey, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a few and get out of here. Did y'all hear that? I need to go for real. All right. See y'all in a second. Bye.
What's him coming out that's supposed to do at that point?
I'm sorry. We already started eating, y'all. It's too good. We had to switch up plans. But yeah, right. What you mean with him coming out? What if he haven't came out?
No, like,
Whew. Delicious.
she's coming out here after she already done got them for me. So what the fuck am I
Right.
supposed to do?
That's so rude for customer service.
Ooh, man, I'm sorry.
No, you cool. But that's so rude from a customer service standpoint because
Like,
it's
what the
like, nigga, I already asked for it. She already basically done said yes by going to get it for me. You just gonna take it back out the bag?
Right.
Folks disrespectful. Here I go once again on one of these restaurant rants. Yes. Now, sorry guys, we had to do a quick pull up on Sushi. Thank you, babe, for understanding. I'm actually got called from one of my friends, invited me to a birthday, so we're gonna close out there. But I had to tap in with y'all real quick, give y'all a bite, cause once again, on the go. Glad this is vlog style today. But yes, sushi is busting as always, and customer service still iffy as fuck. But I'll show y'all a few clips of the game. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. In the game. You know I like to teach you.
We in here.
I told them. When your friends put you on and you get in the VIP section.